Hi guys, my name is Renu and I'm a refashion enthusiast. Welcome to Refashion Trust to Trendy Show, the show where I share my ideas on transforming old and outdated clothing into something really new and trendy with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you transformation on these shoes and show you how you can change the whole game of the shoe. So we're going to be needing some strong fabric glues, laces, scissors, blades and fabric of your choice. Cut out a piece of the fabric big enough covering the whole shoe. These are the fabric glues I have, but I recommend using rubber based adhesive for even stronger connection. So here I have used this Fevibond glue. So start applying the glue on the upper part of the shoe and stick the fabric like I have done here. To make it stick even better, stick the fabric after a minute of applying the glue and give it a good press. Do it on all the sides of the shoe and cut out the fabric from the back part of the shoe. After sticking glue at all sides, cut out the extra fabric at the center, following the shape of the shoe, leaving an inch or half allowance. Give some cuts at the curved parts so that we can fold it inside and stick it easily. Now take a blade, and here I have taken a paper cutter and start cutting the extra fabric from the bottom of the shoe, and be careful not to cut your own finger. And be very careful and make sure you don't cut the shoe. After cutting, it will look somewhat like this. The inner stripes will still showing, so I added extra layer and followed the whole similar process again. If you're doing with some opaque fabric and if the single layer looks okay, then you don't have to add the second layer. After done with sticking all the second layer, finish it from the back side like this. Fold it and glue it like this. So after we're done with second layer, now stick the fabric on the heels and make sure to fold the raw edges on the edge of the heels. That's how you should fold the fabric on the edge and glue it. So that's how it should look like after sticking the fabric. Now take any laces like this of 1/2 inch and start gluing at the bottom. It will cover the raw edge from showing and will give a good look too. Sew the laces on the shoe for the good hold, or you can also skip this part. Now stick the laces at the bottom of the heels and opening of the shoe. Hand stitch the laces on the upper part of the shoe as well. So that's how it looks like after we're done, and follow the same process on the another shoe as well, and we're done. Guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this idea of no sewing refashion. Please drop the comment below what kind of refashion or any DIY video you want to see more. I'll be doing a Q&A video soon, so you can ask me questions down in the comment below. Subscribe for more DIY refashions and follow me on the social medias. The links are on the description box below. Till then, I'll see you next time. Bye and take care.